Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got a good site for you if you like to write. If you're a writer and you like to write articles or maybe books or ebooks or something like that, if you like to do those things, I've got a good site for you today where you can make a lot of money selling your writing expertise. Okay? So stick around. We'll be right back in just a few seconds and we'll get right on that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com website, and if this is your first time here, what we do here is we do how-to videos, anything to do with making money videos, affiliate marketing videos, and general value videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you there too as well. Okay, also if this is your first time here, or if you've been here before too and you haven't yet subscribed, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified of when we post new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Okay, alright, great. Well, let's get started with today's video. I've got a place that I found here that it'll pay you good money if you're a writer. If you like to write and write articles and or ebooks or any kind of books or anything like that, a good site that'll pay you good money to for your articles, and it also depending on your expertise with it, you can make even more and more money depending on how good of a writer you are. Okay, and you can also increase your writing ability on this particular site too. Alright, so with all that said, let's go ahead and get right in on this video today. And over here what we're going to do is come to a site here. It's called textbroker.com. You see the address right up here, textbroker.com. And what they do is they hire people to write articles for them. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to be a very good writer. I mean, you can learn even on this site too. Like I was saying, you can increase your writing abilities and get better and better and better. In fact, the better you get, as you'll see here, they'll even pay you more money for your expertise. Okay. All right. So you come here. You see they work with quite a few pretty good companies, known companies. People come here who want. Companies come here that want articles written for them by people such as you and I, and they're willing to pay money for that. All right, so some of the companies that you recognize are here, like Staples, eBay, iProspect, and One-on-One. This is a hosting company here, and some of these other companies. These are all pretty well-known, pretty large companies in the world here. It says the text broker brings clients and authors together. No other article writing service makes buying content this quick and simple. They said that we're the planet's leading content creation marketplace. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, or entire outreach campaigns, Text Broker provides custom high-quality content to fit your needs. We've made it effortless to find U.S.-based content writers to meet any budget or quality requirements. Now it says U.S.-based. I'm not sure. This may just be United States-based only. Not 100% on that. Just because it says U.S.-based here doesn't necessarily mean that it's U.S.-based. Not real sure about that, but it's something that you could check on, just to be on the safe side of that. And so anyways, so to get started on this site, basically you just come here, textbroker.com, and then you click on up here, I write content. And it brings you over here, and you can actually, you can sign up here. Free author registration. It's 100% free. It doesn't cost anything to sign up on this site. And it says earn money to write content. says, is writing your passion? Then TextBroker is the right place for you. Since 2005, TextBroker is the leading provider of unique custom content, thousands of registered authors and customers from around the globe. See, this is why I say they said on the other site U.S. based, but here it says authors and customers from around the globe. So that it's probably, I don't see why you couldn't be a writer if you live in India or someplace in another country. You couldn't be a writer on this site either. So, but it's just something that it leaves question, in my mind, because it said U.S. based there on that other page, on their front page. But here it says from around the globe. So, anyways, for more than 100,000 content orders through TextBroker every month. Our clients, including publicly traded corporations, small business owners, e-commerce websites, social media communities, and publishing houses, require a broad variety of content. If you're just starting out or are an experienced professional, TextBroker gives you access to thousands of writing opportunities for any topic. Choose when and how much content you write, and there's no limit to how much you can earn. Okay, so that's a good thing there. Now, down here it says, why write for TextBroker? Well, it's free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payments. And it says, read here why to become a TextBroker, and you can click more information here. Here it tells you how it works. If we click on that, make money writing articles in a few steps. Register for free and submit a writing sample. Based on your sample, we will review your content quality. Your author rating allows you to select a project from our selection of open orders. Choose an assignment and make money writing articles. Alright, and it's this easy. Here is register for free, submit a sample, get a rating, complete your author profile, and then start writing for money. And the right project for every author, and they do in open order. That's individual. Choose from thousands of projects at your quality level. TextBroker pays by word, depending on your quality rating, which you can improve at any time. And they have an expert center right here. If you see up here, you can learn more and how to increase your writing skills if need be. If you'd like to increase your expertise. And then they have direct orders here from clients. Send projects directly to your inbox through direct order. And then you can do a team order. You can join as many teams as you like and work on sort of working with other people writing articles for companies or whatever as a group. And then if we come over here to how we get paid, of course everybody wants to know that, right? How we're going to get paid. Okay, what does TextBroker pay to their freelance authors? TextBroker offers authors several options to earn money online. Based on your content quality, our editors rate your articles between 2 and 5 stars. Since TextBroker regularly reviews and rates your articles, it is possible to continuously increase your rating and earn more for each word you write. You are your own boss. Okay, and then your earnings at a glance, such as if you're a 2-star writer, you'll get 7 cents per word, or actually 0.7 cents per word. If you're a 3-star, it's 1 cent per word. 4-star expertise, 1.4 cents, and then a 5-star is a nickel per word. You can see if you're writing an article that's 5,000 words or even 1,000 words times 5 cents, that's could add up pretty quick. And we can come down here. The average pay of just a 4-star author, even experienced professionals can create a profitable business with TextBroker. Our sales and marketing team recruits clients every day. This means thousands of new content writing opportunities for you to earn money online. You decide whether to select from our vast open order pool your quality level and then write direct orders for specific clients or work on a project in a team. And they have a little calculator down here. For example, if you are a 2-star writer, your expertise is 2 stars, and you write an article that's 1,000 words, you'll make $7 for that. If you're a 5-star in a writer and you write an article that's 1,000 words, you'll make $50 for that. And let's say if you can write up to 5,000, for example, a 5,000 word article, you'll make $250 for that one article. If you write a $5,000 word article, that's a pretty long article, pretty large article. I've written 1,000 word articles on my blog on freedommotivator.com before, and it takes a little bit of time to do that. But there's a little trick that I have here I want to show you. It'll cut this time clear down to a fourth of that to write even a 5,000 article word. What you can do is, for example, let's say that one of the projects that you got after you sign up with Text Broker, and one of the projects that you got to work on was about let's just say it was about dogs or something like that. Could be cats, dogs, can be anything actually. One thing you can do, a quick hack for this, is you can come over to this site right here called eZine Articles. Okay, and you can come here, and there's thousands and thousands of articles on this particular website. There's almost 500,000 expert authors that are sharing their articles. So let's say that you having a tough time coming up with 5,000 words for an article, right? Well, you can come over here to eZine Articles. And this is all free, doesn't cost anything. And let's just say, for example, you got an article request to do an article for a client about dogs, something about dogs, right? So let's say you come here to eZine Articles, you want them to cut this short and get some help with your writing. You just come here and type in dogs into their search engine and press enter, and it brings up all kinds, well actually 1 through 25 of 100,000 articles to do with dogs, right? Okay, so you look down through here, for example, and let's just say we pick one of these down here. Let's see here. Something about, say, how about dog park trends? Something you're going to write an article about dog parks where people can take their dogs to the park and let them run around for some time here. So we click on that, and you see the article here. And then what you would do is you just take this article. Now we're not copying here. Okay, what I'm showing here is we're not going to copy somebody else's article. Okay, we don't want to plagiarize or anything like that. But I got another little hack here that I'm going to show you how to take care of that. Okay, so stick with me here. So let's just say, for example, we want to copy some of this article here. Well, we could take it all. I mean, it's a pretty long article. This might be about 900 word article right there. Okay, but this is just to give you an example of what you can do here, a short, quick hack on how to write an article and put it in separate terms. In other words, we don't plagiarize here. I'll show you this. So let's just take, for example, we take these two paragraphs we like on this article right here about dogs, and we copy that, and then what we do is we come over to another site called freearticlespinner.com. Right here. Make sure if you come here, make sure you type in free-article-spinner.com, so you get this site here. And then you can come here and you can type and put in that text that you copied from eZine Articles, right? And then bring it here, post it into the thing here, click the I'm not a robot thing here, and then just click on spin the text. And then in a few seconds here, it'll output the text. And now you see it's the same text, but only it's been reworded. Some of the words have been changed, and it makes it unique. So you're not actually copying word for word someone else's article. So there's no plagiarizing there. It spins the article and makes it unique out of the words or the words of the article that you copy or pasted in. Now, you might have to come down through here and edit this somewhat, and edit it, because sometimes the spinner doesn't always get some of the words in the right order or something like that. So you're going to have to proofread it and do a little bit of editing probably to it to make it the way you like it. Okay, but this is a free way to do this that'll save you some time on writing, for example, a 5,000 word article, which could take, it could take 4 or 5 hours just to do that alone, or even if you're splitting it up, it could take a couple days to do that if you were just writing it straight out of your head. But you can come to e-zine articles, and it's all free, and you can get help adding to, even if you want to add it to out of your own thoughts. You can bring and get articles here, bring them over to free-article-spinner.com, free article spinner, put it in there and make it unique to your article. Make it unique to what you want it to be. So that's an easy way to get that done. Okay, so you can make quite a lot of money with this website right here. And they do have a expert center here where you can learn more. If you click on, we click on this and it takes us over. They got blogs, frequently asked questions. They got tutorials. They got video tutorials, and then other downloads, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of things that you can do to improve your writing abilities as well too. And like I said, if you need help, the quick hack for that is to come to e-zine articles. That's ezinearticles.com, right? And then look for an article that's related to your topic that you got assigned from TextBroker, and then copy some of the article paragraphs or the whole article if you want, and then bring it over here and spin it so it's not exactly like the one you copied, and makes it unique for you. Okay, so that's what I had for you guys today. It's what I wanted to show you today. It's a way to make money writing for TextBroker.com, and you can make quite a lot of money doing this. Okay, well, if you got some value out of this video today and it's helped you, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to check out my #1 top business down there, click on mentorwithkev.com, and to check that out. It's an affiliate marketing business, and you can make high amounts of money with this. And for checking it out, you get over $3,600 of free bonuses, business building bonuses to go along with this also. It'll help you as well too. So click that link down there and check that out. Also, I've got plenty of other helpful links down there in the description that'll help you out too. So check out my other links and stuff like that too. Alrighty guys, have a great day. I'll see you here in a couple days on the next video. Okay, you guys have a great day. Talk at you later. Bye bye now.